Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle, and this is Kshitiz Bhatnagar. And today we're gonna talk about my hoodie because this is my new hoodie, and this has become my favorite hoodie nowadays because I'm wearing it almost every day. I love it so much. So this is the official debut of my hoodie in my video. So whatever. So again, okay, so winters are here. I really wish that you're enjoying your time. I hope that you're enjoying your days and सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा होगा बिकॉज हाँ दुनिया में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ख़राब हैं. आई नो, एवरीवन नोज बहुत सारी चीज़ें ख़राब चल रही हैं. बट देन अगेन वी मेड श्योर, हमारी एक वीडियो में वी मेड श्योर दैट हमें ये चीज़ याद रहे कि हमको कंट्रीब्यूट करना है अपनी तरफ से as much as we can do, as much as we can bring positivity, bring happiness around us. बहुत अच्छा होगा. So yeah, with that said, let's get today's video started with tons of energy. Cool, 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 cool. Hi. So should we get the तो पता नहीं क्या बोलता रहता हूँ. So let's start the video. मैं और कोई बकवास नहीं करूँगा. हाँ, तो today's topic is you are the director. And how am I meaning that? इस चीज़ को हम किस चीज़ में ले सकते हैं? Okay, so if your life is a movie and what's happening right now is a scene, I need you to realize that उस सीन के डायरेक्टर आप खुद हो. नो वन एल्स अराउंड. आपके उस सीन पे जो भी डायलॉग्स हैं, जो भी एक्शंस हैं, उन वो किसी के इन्फ्लुएंस से नहीं आ रहे हैं. और ये चीज़ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नो, बिकॉज इफ समथिंग हैपन्स एंड आपका जो भी अभी सीन है वो इट गेट्स रूइन, समहाउ इट गेट्स रूइन, तो जो ब्लेम होगा ना, इट विल गो अनकॉन्शियसली यू विल रियलाइज दैट जो भी ब्लेम है वो उसके ऊपर जा रहा है जिसके थ्रू आपने ये डिसीजन लिया है. एंड if that decision is what you have made for yourself, then it will be way better to digest it. अगर वो कुछ चीज़, कुछ प्लान, whatever the goal you have in mind, whatever task you have in mind, they get ruined, तो उस चीज़ का ब्लेम ना आपके ऊपर आएगा. एंड दैट इज़ वे बेटर टू डाइजेस्ट कि किसी और के ऊपर आपको ब्लेम डालना पड़ेगा फॉर दैट थिंग. So you need to realize that you are the director of your life. If your life is a movie, consider your life as a movie because you have to make it that interesting. If suppose अगर आप कोई मूवी देखने जा रहे हो, if you are interested in movies, if you're watching a movie, तो you know कि वो अगर इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है तो आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं होगी. Similarly, consider your life as a movie in which आप खुद हीरो हो and you have to make your movie the best movie out there, and for that you need to know how to work harder, how to make your life interesting, and how to realize that you are the director of that movie जिसके आप खुद हीरो हो. आप अपनी मूवी के खुद ही हीरो हो, खुद ही डायरेक्टर हो, बाकी सारे रोल्स भी सब आप ही के हैं. ठीक है, तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होना ना, इट्स वेरी सेटिस्फाइंग समवेयर. अगर आपके पास इफ़ यू रियलाइज कि ये जो भी हो रहा है आपकी लाइफ में, इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ द डिसीजंस दैट यू हैव मेड टिल नाउ, इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ योर ओन एक्शंस, दैट इज़ वे मोर सेटिस्फाइंग दैन टू रियलाइज कि किसी और के इन्फ्लुएंस में आके आपने कुछ किया था. एंड नाउ दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, आई ऑल्सो नीड यू टू नो कि जो डिसीजंस हम एकदम रेज में आके लेते हैं, द डिसीजन दैट वी मेक दैट व्हेन वी आर टू हैप्पी, वो डिसीजंस लेना हमें रोकना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज हम उस टाइम पे वी डोंट मेक रेलेवेंट डिसीजंस, वी मेक द डिसीजंस आउट ऑफ आवर इमोशंस. एंड trust me, I've suffered the consequences a lot, and probably I'm still suffering. So for that, which is very important to realize, कि आपको कोई decision ज़्यादा खुश होके या ज़्यादा गुस्से में आके नहीं लेना है. It will always and always, not even 1%, not even 99% I'm talking about here, but always will end up, you're gonna be regretting it. You will gonna be regretting that decision. हमेशा हमेशा, इसका कोई एक्सेप्शन नहीं है, but you will fucking regret that. And to stop कि आप बाद में जाके regret ना करो, it's really important कि आप ऐसे decisions ही मत लो. Also पता है, I completely understand that if you feel that whatever decisions you take वो सारे at the end गलत ही निकलते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता, because I know people around you may make you feel that way, which is not always true. And even if whatever decision you've made till now वो आगे जाके गलत ही हुआ है, that doesn't mean कि आपकी decision making जो ability है वो बिल्कुल ही बेकार है. That is not the conclusion anyhow. It's just that you were not mature at that time to consider all the aspects, consider all the factors around it. तो बस ये हो सकता है. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आपकी decision making ability is total zero. आप सीखोगे. If you are making bad decisions, start learning from them. उस चीज़ से आप कुछ सीखोगे. Why did you make that bad decision and what were the aspects? So sorry for that. Actually my tripod isn't working right these days. So where were we? हाँ, तो उस टाइम पे आपको ये रियलाइज होगा, whatever you're gonna realize is that कि when the decision you made that time, maybe you didn't consider all the aspects of this situation. You were not in that scenario, or maybe you were not even in that mindset to take that decision, and it's completely fine, because you're gonna learn from it, because you're gonna learn from the bad decisions you make. And bad decisions doesn't always turn to shitty consequences. ऐसा हमेशा नहीं होता है. There have been times, या आप भी ये सब चीज़ें फेस करो, you're gonna be facing similar things, that sometimes bad decisions turn to amazing experiences, amazing ideas, and you never know उनसे क्या हो जाए. So stop fearing making decisions. And I've made a complete video discussing this, कि why you need to start making mature decisions. I really want you to see that too, if you're whatever. So all in all, अगर आप डायरेक्टर होगा ना अपनी लाइफ के, you'll be very very happy. And now that we are ending this video, so I really hope कि till now you've realized that you're the director of your movie, and you have to direct every scene wisely, every scene according to that, क्योंकि सब कुछ आपके हाथ में. Everything is under your control now. So yeah, keep that in mind, and don't let the society, whatever people tell you around, okay हाँ समझो, जो आपके आसपास adults हैं, your parents, your elder siblings, or whatever, the people who have experienced life better than you, उन लोगों के experiences से सीखो. Okay, take advice, take suggestions, and then analyze खुद से what suits you, what decision should you take if you're in this situation. क्योंकि there are very less incidents where people actually advise you by coming into your own shoes. And if someone is not in your shoes, if someone is not experiencing what you are experiencing firsthand, they cannot advise you properly. उनका advice आप सुनो. Okay, ठीक है, आपके साथ ये हुआ था, how can I make that a better thing for me in this situation? So वो चीज़ सीखनी है, which is very important. And ये ही चीज़ें अगर आप practice करोगे, if you're practicing taking decisions every day, start with small ones. What you're gonna eat today, it should be all up to you. When are you gonna work out? Everything. Start with small decisions, and then you'll realize कि decisions लेना is not that difficult. All you have to keep in mind is the bigger the decision is, the more aspects you have to consider regarding that. तो ये चीज़ आपको realize करनी है. That's it. Decision making is not that difficult. So decisions लेने से डरो मत. Try and be the director of your life. Direct your life in the way you want it to be. क्योंकि on the deathbed you'll be the only person lying there, and you have to be completely satisfied of the way you lived your life, because that's very important. There are people who take their dreams to the grave, which is a shitty thing. We shouldn't do it. They take their dreams, they have regrets that because the society didn't let them, वो ये चीज़ नहीं कर पाए. Nope. Take control, be the director of your life, and direct every scene wisely, because everything is now under your control. With that said, people, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you like this video and my hoodie, because whatever. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep this in mind, and okay, subscribe to my channel, because I've been saying that very less lately, and there have been cases when people just come, watch my video and leave. So please subscribe, because that will show that will motivate me, that will make me happy, that will make me satisfied that whatever the work I'm doing, there are people who are actually appreciating it, and there are people who I've been able to help somehow, because I'm trying my best here to tell everything which I've learned till now. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.